Buying inventory from Alibaba and selling it on eBay is a well-known business model. Plenty of e-commerce sellers doing it and doing it successfully. But how? How do they find products that actually sell? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find winning products from Alibaba.com and sell them on eBay for huge profit. So here is the flow. First of all, you go to eBay and you find what product niches have high demand. Then with this information, you go to Alibaba. You look for similar products that have unique selling proposition. Once you find such a product, you're ready to go. I'm now going to share my screen and show you how I find hot niches on eBay, analyze their competition and find selling opportunities, go to Alibaba.com and source for product with unique selling proposition. So sit down, relax, and let's get started. Alright, so we are inside Zik Analytics interface. Zik Analytics, it's a product research tool that analyzes eBay Marketplace, analyze AliExpress, but also help you compare between eBay products to Alibaba. You basically can use Zik to find any eBay product on Alibaba. So remember, our first step is to find hot niches. Now, there are different ways to get the niche ideas. You can, just browse through Amazon, browse through Alibaba, just, come up with your own idea and then go to the product research tool of Zik Analytics, type the keyword search and see the statistics. But I'm going to give you the complete flow. Like, let's say you get started and you don't have any idea on what to sell and you want to move from one step to another following data. So for this, I will start with the category research of Zik Analytics. The category research is a tool that helps us analyze the best-selling items on every category. It shows us lifetime data, so it sells since the product was listed to eBay, and it's a very good way to find product and niche ideas. So inside the category research, you of course will want to set up your setting. You can also do it through the quick settings. So you click on the quick setting here, and you just make sure to choose your marketplace, shipping location. In this case, we are going to source products from Alibaba, so you're going to use here in supplier settings Alibaba, and apply changes. The break even here just help you calculate your profit. So it will consider inside eBay fees and manage payment fees. Once you set up everything, you click apply changes and it will set up everything automatically. If you're an international seller, if you're selling on different marketplaces, you can just either choose the flag of the country here or just choose here the shipping location and that's it. So for instance, if you're selling to eBay UK, you will choose United Kingdom, Germany. This example going to be on eBay.com on United States. So inside the category research, I'm just going to go and choose broad category. I'm not going to go to subcategories. I want to start broad. So I will scroll down here through the result and I will just pick randomly one of them. You can literally try one by one. Of course, DVDs and movies is not something I suggest, but all the home and garden, health and beauty, jewelry, watches, pet supplies, etc. For this example, I will go for jewelry watches, okay? And I will hit the search button. What happens right now, Zik pull the data and show us the best-selling items in this specific category. Let's scroll down and see. So we came into this category and we can see the stats. There are 19 million listings. It's a lot. But what I care about is scroll down and look for product ideas. So what I will do, I will look through the pictures. I will observe the pictures of the products and I will observe the amount of sales since the product was listed. Now, as you can see, the first product here is like natural gemstone for something. I don't know what it is used for. It's kind of jewelry, right? Then we have woven nylon band for Apple Watch. So there are Apple Watch accessories. And then we have this necklace here. This is the cross pendant necklace, silver stainless steel, unisex change, crucifix, man and woman. So personally, I really like the jewelry niche, but you can be creative and try all different ones. But this product is very interesting. This product here is selling for $4.99, sold 15,000 times, 15,000 times since it was listed to eBay. So it's definitely a sign for product niche with a lot of demand, right? So what I will do, I will just copy here the cross pendant necklace, silver stainless steel. Okay, I'll copy it. Actually, I will copy it with a stainless steel. Now, if you want to be even more broad, what you can do is just cross pendant. Just try the cross pendant and that's it, or cross pendant necklace and that's it. Then you go to the product research tool, is here on the left side. You open the product research tool in a new page. Your settings will be automatically set as you choose it before in the quick settings. So it will be on the shipping location, United States, as I chose. And you just paste it here and you're ready to search. Now, if you want to get very broad result, I would just put like this, cross-banded necklace, and I'll hit the search button. The more broad result, the higher the numbers will be, but the less specific will be also the decision making. I'll explain shortly why. So as you can see, I search for cross-banded necklace. We have 100 active listings on page 1 for this niche. We have 3,500 sold items for an average product price of $7.58. Generally generated $23,000 in sales in the last 30 days. The success rate is 84%. The sell-through rate is 3,504%. That means that potentially the demand ratio is 35 potential buyer on every active listings on page 1, and the success rate is out of 100 active listings, 84 are successful, sold at least one product. So these stats are amazing. This is a great niche. So this is the first things I want to validate. I want to validate the demand. I want to validate the success rate. Then I look on this diversity pie, and usually I would prefer to find niches very diverse. Here we have one seller. This seller, he's basically taking 30% of the pie. 30% of this revenue go to one seller, then the second seller is 15%, and so on. So once I validated the demand, I know this product niche have high demand. I know that there are 35 potential buyers on every active listing. $23,000 in sales for average product price of $7.58 is great. And the success rate is 84%. All the statistics are great, right? Now is the time to scroll down to the product result and to analyze the competition, to learn what is the unique selling proposition of every listing here, or at least the top 10 on the search result. And then go to Alibaba and source for better products. So what I will want to do is I will want to understand the pricings. I want to understand the sellers and the competition and how many feedbacks they have. And then I want to look into the product and I want to see, okay, what is unique about these models? Now, with fashion products, with jewelries and clothing, it's actually easier than other products because it's not like with electronic that you compete on features or stuff like this. Here, it's all about the taste of the people, right? There is one person prefer black, other one prefer gold, the other one prefer silver, for example. The other one want very plain cross, then other guy wanted more bling bling with a lot of diamonds. So your goal is to go through it and then to see what is the unique selling proposition of those top listings and then go to Alibaba and find something better. So let's go through what we are seeing here so you understand better. On the left side, we can see the seller information. You have the seller country, the name of the seller, amount of feedbacks, and the sales they generate from the product. Then you can see the product information, which start with a picture, title, the sales in the last 30 days, the total sales, and the selling price. And then, of course, where the product shipped from. Now, if you want to drill down and also go and analyze specific competitors to get even more niche ideas and product ideas, Zik also offers competitor research tools. So there is button here, scan seller. If I will click it, in a couple of seconds, you will be able to see this seller performance, to see how many active listings he have, how much revenue he generated, what is his sold items, and of course, the list of his top selling items. And the beauty that you can filter it between last 7 days sales to last 30 days sales. Right now, my settings are automatically on the last 7 days. So this $27,000 sales in the last 7 days, guys. And if you will scroll down, you will see what this seller is focused on. You will be able to learn, first of all, what are the top selling products of these sellers, but also get a lot of niche ideas. Because if this product is selling very well, probably as a niche, as a whole niche, it's a very good niche, right? Now, of course, you can swap here to 30 days and then hit the search button and you will see the last 30 days performance. So as we say, this seller is fantastic, $112,000 in sales with only 216 active listings. This is someone we can look as a role model. We can learn from him a lot. However, let's get back to the product research because this video is about how to find winning products from Alibaba to sell on eBay. I hope you guys enjoying so far. I just wanted to let you know that we are currently running a contest on the YouTube channel. You can win 1 month for free on Zik Analytics. All you need to do is comment in the comment section below your favorite eBay niche and why. And also subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Every week we give away for free 1 month subscriptions to Zik Analytics. That means you can win as well. So let's get back to the process. So we went through the niche, right? We validated the statistics. We know this is a product niche in demand. Now we want to find selling opportunity. So first, of course, and the most strong indicator is the amount of sales. The higher the amount of sale, the better is the product, the better is the offer, right? However, we have also different criteria we want to take in consideration. For example, for my opinion, I don't want to sell product for $4.99. Okay, I prefer to make higher profit. So I can come here and look on the product that sells for higher prices and then try to find something with higher prices. Second of all, we can also try another approach and we can use the filters of feedbacks to see, okay, there are different sellers here. I want to see what the small sellers with a small amount of feedbacks did and how many sales they generate. So like this, I can see different product that's selling and see, okay, who are these sellers? How much feedbacks they have? What is the selling prices they sell, etc. And then I can scroll down and see, okay, this product here, for instance, this seller have 1,386 feedbacks. This product sold 36 times in the last 30 days, 182 lifetime, selling for $9.99. It is an interesting product. I want to check it out. I want to see. Maybe this will be my selling opportunity. Okay? And then learn about his unique selling proposition. So this guy, for instance, give you here discount on quantity. His product look like this. You have Jesus on the cross and some signs there on the back. And let's see if it's only a pendant or a necklace as well. So it's a pendant plus necklace, okay? So it's a pendant plus necklace. It's made out of stainless steel. It has Jesus on it. It's also have 10% discount for quantity. And the selling price is $9.99. This product shipped from Chino Hills, California, and he has free standard shipping. So after looking around, this can be a selling opportunity. This is a seller with low amount of feedbacks. He sell a lot this product. It's $9.99 the selling price. We have room. It's a 27-inch chain with a Jesus pendant. We learn everything we need about this product, right? So I will go and I will write it down. I will remember this product, or I will just leave it here, open on the tab. Then I'll go back here and I'll try another approach. The other approach I can do here is I can just, what I really like to do is I like to scroll through them and to see if there are different models they're repeating a lot, or there are different patterns that repeating. So I want to see this product here, for example, if you look good, have diamonds on it. Second product have Jesus on it. This product completely unique, but very cheap, right? This product here, again, very simple, but has this 8 on it, right? So I'm going through it and learn. This one's is the same product, basically. Then another simple cross, another simple with diamonds. So already 2 necklaces with diamonds and already 3 with Jesus on them. So we understand people like the necklaces with Jesus on them. People like the necklaces with bling bling and etc. Right? So once we learn all these things, another one with diamonds on them. There's a book here as well, and other simple ones. So once we learn these things, is our time to go to Alibaba and find similar products. And for this, I'm going to use the item finder of Zik Analytics that's going to find these products for me automatically. So I'll scroll again to the product that I first wanted to check. Let me just find out where was the seller. I think it was, this was the product, right? Yeah, this was the product. So I will come across this product first and I'll hit here on the item finder. So Zik find for you the products on Alibaba. As you can see here, you can see the picture, the title, the seller rating, the price on Alibaba, and the estimation of profit. And basically you can just scroll through it and look for the desired product. What I usually like to do is I like to open the Alibaba interface to, be able to more flexibly search through Alibaba. So for this, I will click here the search on Alibaba button. So once you click search on Alibaba button, you'll get the results. Now you can see that Alibaba put you here different categories. So because these are jewelries and stuff, it's probably under accessories. So I will switch to accessories, and this will also adjust the results. So now when I have the relevant results, I'll scroll down and I will look for similar products and I will try to create this added value, this unique selling proposition. So remember that different ways to create unique selling propositions, we're going to go through them now. So I'm scrolling down through the results. I see different products here. This is an interesting product, very interesting product. This is very similar to our competitors, right? So I got these 2 different products here, which I'm interested in. So the first product here is a complete different design with a lot of similarities, right? It has the same scent, it has the same background, but it's only one. So of course, this is one to try out. You bring new model to the market, okay? Completely new model to the market, and you try to sell in it. Second thing is about a price. If I buy this for, let's say $2 or let's say $1.50, okay? Let's say I negotiated with the supplier, I got it for $1.50. I need to do the calculation, make sure how much the import tax, VAT, if there is any VAT, how much is the packing and shipping to the customer, the eBay fees, make sure what is my final cost before shipping it to the customer. Then I can check out and see if I can have a better price. So the first advantage, the first unique selling proposition you can have is the most simple one, is a better price. The second unique selling proposition is to create either added value in any other way you can do to the listing. So either multi-variation listings that offer more colors or more designs, or for instance, create a bundle where you sell this necklace with a box. So let me show you an example. If I will open Alibaba in a new page and I will write here necklace box, you will see that there are a lot of options here. Let's check it out. So here we have the results and we start to scroll down and look for different boxes. So this simple box for 20 cents, as you can see here. And this one a little bit more beautiful for 29 cents. For instance, if you buy this box, you put the necklace beautifully in and then you present it like this on the picture and you write include gift box, I'm sure this is going to increase your click-through rate and will help you sell more products. So this is what we did. We found a different style, a bit different, but with the same patterns, and we added the box. Another way is to create multi-variation listings. So for instance, pick this product here, which is quite similar to our competitors, right? But instead of selling only one color, like our competitor did, he sell only this color, we sell here two colors. So we create two variation plus a box, and we bring another advantage. We bring another added value to the listings. And then of course, the other added value, the other unique selling proposition you can create is more deals on it, more quantity deals, or better shipping, better pictures, better SEO, better titles, etc. Guys, I hope you find this video valuable. I did all I can to teach you how to source winning products from Alibaba. If you find it valuable, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and come and visit this channel more. We release new videos every week to help you become successful with your e-commerce business. Thank you very much.